everyone. Bryant Lovette here with Lovette Properties, and excited to bring you another townhome listing. We are going to be in the sweet spot of Raleigh. I mean, we are in the heart of everything here, just off of Tryon Road. You're minutes from Crossroads Shopping Center. You're minutes from one of my favorite spots in Raleigh, which is Lake Johnson. So you're a short jog from Lake Johnson. There's a lot to say about living here in this location. This townhome was well maintained. It is beautiful, it is adorable. It's got 3/4 inch hardwood floors. We're gonna go active at $325,000. So please pass this along to either your friends and family or coworkers that are interested, or please reach out to us if you happen to be interested yourself. We wanna get you the answers to your questions, get you the data that you need. Have a fantastic rest of your day and a fantastic rest of your week.